In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove holidays from your Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to declutter your calendar or just want to see only the events and reminders that matter most to you, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, to ensure you get the calendar view that best fits your needs. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to calendar.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in using the Google account associated with your calendar. This is the account that contains all your appointments, reminders, and of course, those pesky holiday entries we're aiming to remove. Once signed in, you'll be looking at your calendar's main interface. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a sidebar which lists all of the calendars you have access to under your Google account. Here you will find a section labeled Other Calendars. This area is where you typically find a variety of different calendars, including the holiday calendar specific to your country. This holiday calendar is often automatically populated by Google, showing all the national holidays, and while it's useful, sometimes it can create unnecessary visual clutter. Let's focus on removing these holidays. When you hover your mouse over the holidays entry under Other Calendars, you'll notice an X button appears next to it. This button is key to unsubscribing from or removing the holiday calendar entirely. Click on that X button and you'll successfully unsubscribe from the holiday calendar, removing it from your own calendar view entirely. It's important to note that this action doesn't delete the holiday calendar for good. It simply makes it vanish from your personal calendar, helping you achieve a cleaner, more personalized calendar view. The change is immediately reflected, and you should see all holiday events disappear from your main calendar display. For those of you who've already customized your calendars and previously removed holidays, you won't need to repeat these steps. However, verifying the absence of holiday entries ensures your calendar remains as streamlined as you intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared out unnecessary holiday entries, allowing for a more organized and visually appealing calendar that showcases only what truly matters to you. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a similar calendar cleanup. Be sure to check back for more tips on making the most of your digital tools.